The S50 Lite 4K camera drone by Ameta is equipped with a high-quality Sony IMX258 sensor, allowing users to capture ultra-clear 4K videos and photos with its adjustable lens. This drone offers a seamless first-person view experience with its 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi transmission, providing a smooth and real-time aerial perspective up to 500 meters away. The drone's precise GPS positioning system ensures reliable control and offers multiple return-to-home options, making it easy to focus on capturing stunning moments without worry. With 2 high-capacity batteries, the S50 Lite provides a remarkable 50 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended aerial adventures and longer filming sessions. The S50 Lite is designed for users of all skill levels, featuring one-key takeoff and landing, optical flow, GPS altitude hold, and adjustable speed levels for a smooth flying experience. Smart shooting modes such as rocket, circle fly, and gesture selfie allow users to unleash their creativity and capture impressive shots effortlessly, regardless of their skill level.